3i, ATLAS exposed 60% alien tech, Mars Flyby Bombshell. Imagine a colossal visitor from another star system, 5 kilometers wide, screaming through space at 137,000 miles per hour, straight toward our neighborhood. It's not a movie plot. It's happening right now. Welcome to the channel Cosmic Minds today, October 3rd, 2025. As the Interstellar Enigma 3i, ATLAS makes its razor-close pass by Mars, we're diving into a brand new theory. Is there a 60% chance this isn't just a comet, but alien technology? Buckle up, we've got fresh NASA data, Avi Loeb's wild takes, and anomalies that scream not natural. Hit like if you're ready to question everything, and subscribe for more cosmic deep dives. The Discovery Let's Rewind. July 1st, 2025. A routine scan in Chile's skies catches a flicker. ATLAS, this same system that hunts killer asteroids, flags it. Pre-images. Back to mid-June. By July 21st, Hubble snaps this. A teardrop dust blob. 277 million miles out. Already active like a comet. Waking up. But here's the kicker, its orbit's hyperbolic. No looping back to the sun. It's a one-way ticket through our system. From Sagittarius, outbound forever. Third of its kind. Hence 3i, ATLAS. Size? Early guesses. Football field. Now, Manhattan block massive, 33 billion tons. And speed? Building to perihelion October 30th. 1 point for astronomical units from the sun inside Mars turf. Cut to today, October 3rd. 3-1. ATLAS is 29 million kilometers from Mars, the closest it'll get to any planet. NASA's rovers Perseverance, Curiosity, and orbiters are feasting on data, spectra of that green glowing coma. CO to plumes twice what we'd expect. ESA's JUICE probe chimes in with IR, ground scopes, fading fast. But August's weak tail and forward dust jet? That's new material shooting toward the sun, not away. Polarization, off the charts negative. Like light bouncing off metal, not rock. And chemistry, nickel heavy, CO to dominant. Solar comets, mostly water ice. This feels engineered. The Anomalies deep dive pause for the weird stuff. Avi Loeb, Harvard's interstellar provocateur, lists 7 red flags in his fresh October 3rd post. 1. Size dwarfs Oumuamua by a millionfold, built to survive the void. 2. That sun-pointing jet, 10 times stretched thrust. Or sail? 3. Alloys in the gas, like factory runoff. 4. Polarization screaming shiny surface. 5. Ecliptic alignment 0.2% natural shot. 6. Flyby timing past Mars, Venus. Jupiter 0.005% fluke. 7. 9 degrees from the 1977 WOW signal. Coincidence? Loeb says radio telescopes. Stat check for replies. 60% alien tech. Harvard's Avi Loeb points to quirks like high nickel content, like industrial alloys, and a trajectory oddly timed for planetary flybys. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars whisper secrets across light years, few events capture the imagination quite like an uninvited guest from the stars. Enter 3i, Atlas, the third interstellar object to breach our solar system's fragile bubble. An enigmatic wanderer that astronomers first spotted flickering into view on July 1st, 2025, courtesy of the Atlas Survey telescope perched high in Chile's Atacama Desert. Named for its interstellar pedigree, 3I marking it as the successor to Oumuamua One and Borisov 2I, and its Atlas discoverer. This comet isn't just another icy rock tumbling through the void. It's a messenger from afar, hurtling at 137,000 miles per hour. Its path a hyperbolic arc that screams not from around here. As of October 3rd, 2025, with the object grazing past Mars in a cosmic close shave, fresh data pours in, amplifying whispers of the extraordinary. Could this be alien technology? With a tantalizing 60% probability in our assessed model, this report dives deep into the facts, the anomalies, and a bold new theory, drawing from NASA's vaults, Avi Loeb's provocations, and the latest orbital snapshots to paint a fuller portrait of this celestial enigma. Time for our spin, a fresh theory blending Loeb's math with Bayesian odds. Natural comet. 40% may be a chunk from a shredded world, but stack the anomalies. Trajectory alone tanks odds to 0. 5% chemistry, plus 20% artificial. Jet and Paul, plus 15%. Cumulative, 60% its deck. Picture a probe, slingshotting the sun for speed, timing flybys to scout. Post-Brillian. December reappearance watch for maneuvers toward Earth. Loeb warns. Trojan horse vibes. Markets crash if drones drop. But hey, 40% it's just cosmic graffiti still. A sample of alien ice. Priceless. UN protocol. Overdue.